Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. The valve cover, as the name says, is located on top of one or more cylinder heads on the engine, and it is essentially a lid for the valves, camshaft and else. Between the valve cover and the cylinder head is a gasket that may over time, mostly due to material fatigue, start causing problems. This video will show you how to recognize those problems on time, so stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Oil leaks. The first and most obvious symptom of a bad valve cover gasket is oil leaks between the cylinder head and the valve cover. These leaks are at first barely noticeable moisture marks on the valve cover, engine head and else, but later they become a very visible greasy leak. A smell of burning oil. Accompanied by the leaks may be a smell of burnt engine oil when the engine heats up. Since engine oil is leaking onto the engine block or even the exhaust manifold, the oil heats up and causes the bad smell. A low oil level. Another very important symptom of this problem that you must notice on time is a low engine oil level. With a bad valve cover gasket, in most cases, the oil loss doesn't happen that quickly, but over time the level will go down. If the oil level goes below the minimum, it can cause major engine damage, so you must check and add oil on time. Engine misfire. Some engines, besides the valve cover gasket, also have gaskets for the spark plug tubes. If these gaskets get faulty and start leaking, it can cause oil leaks onto the ignition coils and spark plugs, and this then causes engine misfires. The check engine light appears. If there are engine misfires, the check engine light will probably also appear. In this case, you can try to reset it, but until you change the gasket set, clean the coils and spark plugs, the light will probably reappear all the time. A bad valve cover gasket in most cases is not a serious problem and can be easily solved on most cars. So the moment you notice leaks, especially more serious ones, replace the gasket mainly because of the possibility of more severe loss of engine oil and then possible engine damage. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.